Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is gonna be our presentation about our topology and website application. Next, our project manager is managed and our client is managed by Sharpila Donata. Next, our team were Numa Mata as me, I'm a leader, and Reza Dwiki as our Open Sense and Network, and Nabil Mulia Habibi as our UI and UX expert, and Farhan Hafiz Ramadan as our conjunction of derived from applications and website management, and Treya Ryan Putra as CM and implement of our network topology, and also as a server integrated administrator. Next.
JobFinder is a web-based job portal built with Flask using a modular MVC style architecture, SQLA IChemie ORM, and a MySQL database. It supports three user roles: job seeker, companies, and administrator, with features including job posting, application, and company verification, and last one, application management. Security measure include password hashing, session management, and role-based authorizations. The responsive front end is built with Jinja 2 and Tailwind CSS. Next, so for the function, for the authentication, security is a user registration with secure password validation, and then user login with hash password verification, and then session management using Flask login, and then role-based access control using user company admin. For the user, which is the job seeker, we have a create and manage account user, and then browser available job listings and view job details, apply for jobs, and track application status. And then for the company employer, we have a company registration and profile management, post and manage job vacancies, and view list of applicants, and update applicant status, review accepted and rejected. Next.
This slide illustrates the overall topology of the job finder system. All user traffic is routed through OpenSense, which function as domain gateway with firewall and IPS protection. System logs from the web server, database, and network device are collected and analyzed centrally using Wazoo CM. Next, this slide shows the login page and dashboard of the job finder web application. The system uses secure authentication with hash password and session handling. After login, users are directed to dashboard based on their roles. Next, this slide presents the user and administrator interface of the job finder application. Job seekers can view job listing, apply for jobs, and monitor application status. Administrator manage user and oversee system activity to maintain data security. Next presentation by Farhan Hafiz Ramadan.
I will continue the explanation of the project output. This slide show the successful integration between OpenSense as the firewall and Wazoo as the CM platform. Next. First is planning, scope, system topology, and identifying log source to be monitored. Second is analysis. Security requirement and risk analysis where conduction included attack and use case and initial network and not planning. Third is design. The system architecture, database migration schema, and authentication and authorization workflow were designed. Fourth is implementation phase 1. Installation and configure of OpenSense routing, NAT, and initial integration with the CM platform were performed. And implementation phase 2. Wazoo was configured. Incoming security event were verified, and application and database connection was secure. And so next, final redesign and alignment. The system architecture and security design were refined. The system architecture and security design were refined and aligned with the update topology. Okay, next, firewall and network flow configuration. Firewall and IPS policy were refined, ensure the only necessary traffic is permitted and malicious activity is blocked. Web server and database reintegration. Secure communication between the web server and database was enforced and functionally validate. SIEM and login optimization. Centralized logging and alerting Wazoo were optimized to support real-time security monitoring. Security testing was conducted to validate the effectiveness of firewall rules, IPS mechanism, and alert security. Next, finalization and documentation. Final system validation and complete technical documentation were complete, confirm the system full operated. Okay, next, explained by Nabil Mulia Habibi.
Security is implemented using a layered defense approach. OpenSense acts as the network gateway, providing firewall rules and IPS protection for both LAN and VPN tail-scale interface. All server activities, web attack, and database change are monitored centrally using Wazoo CM with custom detection rules. Next.
Okay, that's for all our presentations. Thank you.